Here I'm going to demo how do we iterate values from a dictionary. Okay. I'm opening a Python shell. Here I'm creating a dictionary. This dictionary contains some stocks information. I'm providing some stocks name like, and the price of the stock is 500, and another key is TCS, its value is maybe 1200, and another key is Wipro and its value is 400 something. Okay, so here we have a dictionary, right? Type of stocks is dictionary. Okay, so dictionary is a key value pair, right? Key and value, another key and another value, right? So from this particular key value pair, how do we get keys? To get keys, there is a function called keys. Okay, so we can use stocks dot keys. Keys is a function available in dictionary using which we can get the keys. Okay, so here we can get, these are the keys. Okay, now how do we get values? We can use function called values, so we'll get values. Okay, then another important function is items. Okay, so items provide a collection of tuples. So here one tuple, another tuple, so here another tuple. Okay, so here this is the key and value, key value as a tuple. Okay, so how do we iterate these values? We can use a for loop to iterate the keys, values and items. For x in print x. So here we got the keys. For in values, so we are iterating the values, print x, so we'll get values only. Okay, so if you want to get keys and values, we can iterate keys, and I can get print x is the key and stocks of x is its value, right? So here we'll get key and its values. Okay, another way of getting keys and value is using items function. Okay, for that we can use for x comma y in stocks dot items, print x comma y. So this way also we'll get keys and values. So here stocks dot items is retaining a list of tuples. Okay, we can iterate those tuples. So here x and y will be initially the first tuple, and the value of x and y will be in the next iteration will be this particular tuple, like that. Okay, so here we'll get here we are using stocks dot items. Okay, that will provide a collection of tuples and we can iterate those tuples. So the first value of the tuple goes to x and second value goes to the variable y. Okay, so here we are printing variable, those variable. Here These are x and y are just variables. We can use any variable name you like to use. Okay, I hope you got some idea about how to iterate a dictionary in Python. Thanks for watching this.